Hi everyone, this is Katie with DEK Designs, and today I'm going to be showing you our March mystery kit subscription. So for our mystery kit subscription, we have 3 different options that you can choose from. We have the standard mystery kit subscription. Then after that, we have the decorative mystery kit subscription. And lastly, the Hobonichi Mystery Kit subscription. But before I jump into it to show you what it looks like for March, I do want to let you know that we have spots open now for our Mystery Kit subscription if you would like to receive the next kit. I put a link in the description below to our website listing that has all the details about it. I highly recommend trying it if you have not done a subscription with us before. It's like a nice starter subscription, and it's super fun to have like a mystery every month to be treated to. So don't forget to check that out in the description below. But let's look at the 3 different mystery kit options. First, I'm going to show you the standard. So as you can see, it has some beautiful pinks and kind of like green color on here. It's very soft. So we have the kit and then we have the bonus item. So let's first look at the bonus item. We have a washi sticker paper sheet, and it has silver foil on it, and there are some adorable ladybugs on here with some bows too, a couple of watercolor swatches, and 4 dividers with the foiled ladybugs on it. And then the first page of the mystery kit. I love how soft and dreamy the artwork looks here. Like, it's not super sharp. So for this first box, we have some flowers and a mushroom. We have a couple of ladybugs on a flower. That's super cute. Life in full bloom. A journal with like a stone and a ladybug on it. A nice little bench outside. And this is like a close-up to a table outside, maybe if you're having like a spring picnic. And there are florals, of course, because, you know, it's not a DEK Designs kit if there's no florals on it. So we have some very pretty flowers and vases. And I like, too, this little basket, the wicker basket with flowers in it. It's just so dreamy looking. The next page, we have the Monday through Sunday stickers and then washi strips. I just love how dreamy this looks and how soft. Then we have some flags, some layering pieces, 3 bow checklist boxes, and circles at the bottom here. The soft yellows and blues and pinks. This page has 2 more full boxes. We have a couple of friends that are maybe putting together an arrangement of flowers, a bouquet. Looks like a wreath here. Our Monday through Sunday box. Over on this side, there are layering pieces. Then the heart date dots, weekend script, and some more layering geometric shapes in foil. The functional page. I just adore the ladybugs. I think they're so cute. The scallop dividers, bow dividers, half scallop circles, and some thinner washi strips. This is the header and glitter header page. The fashion girl boxes, the icons, and the script. So we have the fashion girls with a bunch of cute little ladybugs and flowers, soft, dreamy background scenes. For the icons, there's like the laptop, we have laundry, trash, journal, and the script. I like the script down here, using that, like shopping haul, tasks, YouTube. And the last page is the deco page. So we have some fashion girls again, and then we also have some other artwork like the different types of flowers. I like this right here a lot. Some macaroons too. She's sitting on like a wicker basket or like a stool over here. So this is the mystery kit for March, and this is the standard kit. So next I'm going to show you the Hobonichi cousin kit, so you can see how that kit looks different from this. For the Hobonichi cousin kit, again, we have that bonus item that I showed earlier. And then the first page, we have the scenes that you saw from the other kit, but what's different is that the boxes are shorter and not as wide, so they fit perfectly in the Hobonichi Cousin weekly section of that planner. Or if you have a smaller planner, this Hobonichi Cousin kit would work well for you. There's also the Monday through Sunday, and then a habit tracker here. Then the Monday through Sunday page with the washi again. The next page, we have some torn paper stickers that are really nice to use as borders, and have scallop circles, glitter, headers, and some other rectangular boxes I can use functionally, some bow dividers. This page is the kind of geometric layering page, as well as the heart date dots over here. Then the fashion girl boxes, the icons and script again. The deco page that we saw earlier. And then this is different here, where we have a deco page where it's very much enlarged and bigger. You can really see the details a lot more clear with how much bigger it is. I like the macaroons with the two little ladybugs on it, the teacup, the purse. So this is the Hobonichi Cousin Weekly Mystery Kit. Lastly, I'm going to show you the decorative. The decorative kit is all on washi sticker paper. We have the bonus item again, and then let's look at the sheets that are here. The first sheet is the box swatches, where there is the artwork that we saw before. However, like they're in swatch formatting, where it looks kind of like a torn page sticker. The next page has swatches as well. I love this big swatch. The mystery borders. So we have a straight cut for these, and the top is hugging the artwork. It's kind of like washi a little bit, except for they're considered borders here. And I just love, again, I love the mystery kit artwork for this month. It feels like a breath of fresh air. It feels like spring. It feels dreamy. I'm very excited to plan with these stickers. Then we have the decorative page, where the deco artwork is here, where there are florals, the ladybugs. This is the scripts and dates page. We have 2 weeks of Monday through Sundays, then a couple of like to-do meal errands and appointments, and 2 different color options for the date dots. So that could be fun to mix and match if you wanted to. The last sheet is the Terrible Washi sheet, and I'm in love with this page. I love the blues, the pinks. I love the little ladybug. I'm so excited to use this. So for this page, it's perforated at the top, so you kind of take it and you can tear it whatever way you want, whatever shape, and put it on your pages. And that is the reveal for March's mystery kit. If you do not want to miss out on the next mystery kit, make sure to subscribe today so that you can get the next one. Spots are now open for a limited amount of time. Let me know what you think of March's mystery. What do you think of the artwork? Also, let me know too, like, what type do you prefer? Do you prefer the decorative, or do you like the standard? We always love to hear your guys' feedback and thoughts. Thank you so much for stopping by our channel and watching this reveal video. We appreciate your support. Make sure to subscribe to our channel so that you can stay updated with all of our reveals and subscriptions and such. I hope that you all have a wonderful rest of your March, and I'll see you again next time. Bye, everyone.